Have you ever wondered how much of our brain we actually use? It's a question that sparks intrigue, and one that's been sensationalized by pop culture. Many of us have heard the myth that humans only use a mere 10% of their brains. But hold on to your neurons, because this claim lacks scientific backing. It's a misconception, a myth, a tall tale. In reality, every part of our brain has a purpose. So if it's not just 10%, how much of our brain do we actually use? Scientists have proven that we use virtually every part of the brain and that most of the brain is active almost all the time. Let's take a moment to appreciate the wonders of neuroimaging technologies, such as positron emission tomography or PT, and magnetic resonance imaging, commonly known as MRI scans. These technologies have provided us with a window into the brain, enabling us to observe that the entire brain is a hive of activity, even when we're deep in slumber. Interestingly, different parts of our brain have distinct roles. For instance, the hippocampus is involved in memory formation, while the frontal lobes are crucial for decision-making and problem-solving. It's like an orchestra, with each part playing its own unique tune. Not all parts are active simultaneously, but rest assured, all are used at some point. So it's not about how much of our brain we use, but rather how we use it. To sum it up, we use much more than just 10% of our brains. Remember, the myth of the 10% brain usage is just that, a myth. Science has shown us that we actually use all parts of our brain, and each part serves a unique function. It's crucial to understand this, as it paints a more accurate picture of our brain's incredible complexities and capabilities. So next time someone tells you that we only use 10% of our brains, you can confidently tell them that's just a myth.